Welcome back to Jyoti Hydroponics. Let's get started to get better at farming. This is part 3 of the tomato farming. Now, uncovering and exposing tomato seedlings to direct sunlight for a short period before watering them from the bottom of the seedling tray is a strategic approach to make plants adapt to outdoor conditions. Here is the detailed process on the screen. First, choose an optimal time of day when the sunlight is gentle, such as in the morning or in late afternoon, to minimize stress on seedlings so that they can grow big and fast. Second, gently remove the covering over the tomato seedling tray. This may be plastic dome, plastic wrap, or any protective material that has been shielding the seedlings. If the seedlings have been growing in a protected environment, expose them to direct sunlight gradually. Start with shorter duration on the first day and gradually increase exposure over the next day or two. Keep a close eye on the seedlings during this exposure period. Watch for signs of stress such as wilting or discoloration. If any issue arises, provide partial shade during the hottest part of the day. If possible, rotate the tray to ensure all sides of the seedling receive equal sunlight. This encourages even growth and prevents leggy plants. After we see the growth in a day or two and see the substrate is dry and need to be moist, then watering from the bottom is the best idea because plants are very delicate during this time. Place the tomato seedling tray in a larger tray or container suitable for bottom watering. Ensure there is enough space for the water to be absorbed by the seedling trays. Before watering, assess the moisture level of the substrate by gently pressing it with your fingers or with the help of moisture meter. If the top layer feels dry, it's an indication that seedlings need water. Fill the bottom watering tray with room temperature fertigation water, that is light nutrient solution for the seedlings as per the plant. This helps prevent shocking the seedlings, especially if they have been exposed to direct sunlight. Let the seedlings absorb water from the bottom. This promotes healthy root growth as the roots stretch downwards to reach the moisture source. Be very careful not to overwater your seedling trays. The goal is to keep the substrate consistently moist, not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to various issues including root rot. Observe the seedlings after watering. They should perk up and the substrate should be evenly moist. If any excess water remains in the bottom tray after a reasonable time, pour it off to prevent waterlogging. By following this process, you are allowing the tomato seedlings to gradually adjust to direct sunlight while ensuring they receive water in a manner that promotes healthy root development. This method helps prepare the seedlings for transplantation in our hydroponics system. We will end this session here. See you in our next session. Till then, happy farming, goodbye, and have a nice day.